Alright, my correct people, and welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. Like this now, I don't come with the norms. I don't come with the doctor's prescription, wey be ogbonge and legitimate informate. And the cocoa I bring come for you now about our president, wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Like this now, be like say this man dey para well, he no get joy at all because he don't change am for ministers. He don't draw ear give them say any minister wey fail to perform, any minister wey fail to do well for inside the country Nigeria, say that minister will chop sack ASAP. And still our president now can go inaugurate bridges for inside the FCT, wey be Federal Capital Territory, and for inside Akwa Ibom. And from there, he can yarn some kind message give to the people. When they for summon the message, give country people. I go give you the information my correct person, but sharply make I first tell you say, in case this story be somehow for body, feel free make a drop am inside our comment section. Without wasting much of your time, make I sharply dive into the matter ASAP. No say our president will be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He don dey yarn give ministers so say any of them wey fail to perform for inside im cabinet, say that minister he go chop sack woto. Our president na in dey yarn this one when he meet the leadership of Arewa Consultative Forum for inside the presidential villa wey dey for inside Abuja. And he consider yarn say government must prioritize the needs of local communities by ensuring accountability and effectiveness for inside the administration of local government. No be small matter, my correct people. Our president will be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He consider yarn say as long as say we dey together and we get each other, say strength dey for inside our diversity. See our strength and opportunity, e dey built into our population. And he can thank the cabinet members for their efforts. He give them accolades sake of the things and things wey they don dey do so far to make sure say everywhere nice and stew for inside the country Nigeria. Na here he come sama the warning say even as they give them accolades say they don't do well, say he go still relieve all of them, as in he go sack all of them at any time if he feel as if they don't dey fail country people. If he just feel as if say they need to do well again, she sharply he go just give them sack later. That's how our president the yarn they give the ministers to my correct people. And if to say our president will be Bola Ahmed Tinubu in bad break for only the ministers they matter, you see this informate if for they incomplete, but in constant proceed further. He come put am for state governors their body. He say they don't do enough to strengthen development at the grassroots levels. And he come urge traditional rulers, say make they hold governors accountable, say make they hold them for waste, make they hold them for trouser in case things go wrong. Now, my correct person, before I proceed onto the matter, I go like one or two things give my correct people, my ogbonge listeners. You know say this thing about leadership, no be one man something, no. Yes, now our president will be president for inside this our ogbonge country will be Nigeria. But e get why they get governors, e get why they get ministers, you understand? Because say no be only him go fit do am alone, you get. So he need to appoint some kind of people sef, make dem assist am to make sure say our country Nigeria for make sense. This one wey be say governors now they don't dey do their own, ministers don't dey do their own. This warning wey im come drop, e make sense well. Now it's left for the ministers. Make them for hear wetin in the drop, make them for hear the warning wey in don sama give them. You get, even governors now, as in don still put am for their body. Make any of them now where they lose guard, where they do things wey no make sense, make them sit proper, because our president he no get joy at all. He dey express in disappointment sake of the way that they use state resources. He no like am at all. Now making Congo meet with the area leaders based on the growing insecurity for our country Nigeria and the high rates of our school children, as well as economic challenges, especially for inside the local government levels. Make nobody talk say this man will be Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the trial, because in they do the thing wey a normal president supposed to do. And make I yarn you another legit to my correct people. You know say since the withdrawal of fuel subsidy for inside last year will be May 2023, allocation through the monthly federal account allocation committee is said to have increased by as much as 69%. Then for inside October, for inside the same year 2023, states now can share over 900 billion naira, will be an increase of over 120 billion naira over the August allocation. Now under the current sharing formula, while the federal government they get 52.68% of the revenue, states they get 26.72%, and local government they collect 20.60%. Now under the 2024 approved budget, over 5 trillion naira go to the states, which they about 2.24 trillion naira more than the 3.3 trillion naira wey dem disbursed for inside the year 2023. So when mature person now torchlight all this kind money wey dey go to the state and local government, and e come dey see am say things no dey still go well for inside we country Nigeria, opposition party go dey sama you, dey give you talk for ear say you no dey try, you no dey do well, but when you check yourself you go stand say now I dey do effort now, why things no dey work out? E go para you. So the thing don para the man plenty, na make him come outside come dey yarn dey give ministers say like this now him dey do him very best to enhance the revenue base of the country. So the ministers now, all of them must equally be sympathetic and make dem try to make dem make sure say dem put more effort so that country people no go dey suffer again. And any of them now wey be ministers wey no try, wey no put effort, wey no perform properly, say that minister go chop sack. So moving on to the next information I bring come for you, my correct people. You know say na on Thursday night our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, him come inaugurate the Wuye Bridge interchange wey dey link Wuse and Wuye districts for inside the federal capital city. Na there our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, him come use the medium, him come use the opportunity to come dey reassure country people of the resolve wey im administration get wey be to prioritize their welfare, and prioritizing their welfare him say na the centerpiece of a national development agenda. And him come dey yarn dey give country people say im commitment dey to build a nation where no one is left behind. He say the best way now to achieve greatness na to look forward, aspire for great results, and not to be hindered by obstacles. So all of us now we must see opportunities in obstacles and seize them. That is to say, anywhere where we see betterment, anywhere where we observe say good thing dey there, no matter the distance, no matter the challenges, make we make sure say we journey the journey and make we get to that better thing, because that's na the biggest way, that na the ogbonge way to achieve greatness. And no be lie, my correct people. Now make if you ask me, I go tell you say this na very good advice coming from our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and in no match break for there about the completion of the Wuye project. In come dey yarn say this facility say e go enhance the security of our people, and e go come make the people the central focus of their development effort, and that one na dey very essential for democracy. He say their determination na to succeed and to extend happiness to the teeming population, and to bring out prosperity and tangible value of immense proportions to all country people, and that na the primary objective of im government. And our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu constantly dey give accolade to the FCT minister wey be Mr. Yeso Wike and im team for the completion of a project wey be say na inside 2009 na dey initiate am. Then our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu come dey express im willingness to make personal sacrifices for the welfare and prosperity of country people. So na so the matter be like, my correct person. I know say some of our country people dey outside there will be say, even as they don see all these things, even as they don hear all this testimony finish, they go still dey talk say our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he no dey try, say in reforms na this, in reforms na that. And I know very well say na that fuel subsidy removal na still dey pain us for body. Abeg make we try remove am for mind, and make we try dey pray for our president so that he go continue to dey do more nice things to country people. And make we still dey pray say all these things now wey our president dey yarn dey give the public, make e be say no be audio, because e no go make sense at all. And if e be say na true say na legit, say this man mind dey for country people, make we just dey rest assured say everywhere go soon stew. And anyhow the koko be for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say this na Anointed Lady TV. Now they like give you ogbonge and legitimate news on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, abeg make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as we bring the news they come, now you go first get the update and you go get them sharp. I dey bring on that update for you, my correct person. No go anywhere.